Now, our next topic is female reproductive system. Now, it is composed of a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, uterus, cervix, vagina, and external genitalia. And it also includes a pair of mammary glands. So, in female reproductive system, we will read about all these ovaries, oviducts, uterus, cervix, vagina, external genitalia, and a pair of mammary glands. First, we'll talk about the ovaries. Now, first we learn about the position of ovaries. Ovaries are abdominal in position, that is, in the abdomen. In the abdominal इट इज़ प्रेजेंट, जैसे कि टेस्टिस में हमने देखा था इट इज़ प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड द एब्डोमन, बट ओवरीज जो हैं दैट आर प्रेजेंट इन द एब्डोमन. एंड कितनी होती हैं ओवरीज? वन पेयर. और कैसे लोकेशन होती है? वन ऑन ईदर साइड ऑफ द यूट्रस. In the center there is a uterus, and on the both side of uterus there are ovaries, and these ovaries are attached to the pelvic wall and the uterus by the ligaments. ये ligaments हैं जिसकी हेल्प से जो ovaries हैं वो attached होती हैं. किसके साथ attached हैं? with the uterus and also with the pelvic wall. So ओवरीज क्या है? इसकी पोजीशन है ये एब्डोमन में प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज जैसे कि टेस्टिस आउटसाइड द एब्डोमन थी, ओवरीज आर प्रेजेंट इन द एब्डोमन. एंड इसकी लोकेशन क्या है? इट इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन द बोथ साइड ऑफ द यूट्रस एंड अटैच टू द यूट्रस विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिगामेंट्स. नाउ क्या फंक्शन है ओवरीज का? वट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ ओवरीज? ओवरीज प्रोड्यूस फीमेल गैमीट. It is a major function of ovaries that it produces a female gamete, that is ovum. Female gamete को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ovum. And it also releases the sex hormones. So what is the major function of the ovaries? That is it produces the female gamete, ovum, and also the sex hormones. कौन से hormones हैं वो? Estrogens and progesterone. So it releases the two hormones, that is estrogens and progesterone. Now if we look at it, it seems like that its outer covering, ovary की जो outer covering होती है, that is called the epithelium. epithelium और internal जो सारा है, जैसे हम साइटोप्लाज्म बोल देते हैं किसी भी सेल के अंदर, तो ओवरी के अंदर सारी चीज़ को हम फिल पोजिशन को व्हाट डू वी कॉल? स्ट्रोमा. व्हाट डू वी कॉल? स्ट्रोमा. और स्ट्रोमा है दैट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, आउटर कॉर्टेक्स एंड इनर मेडुला. We will not go in the detailed structure of the ovaries. It is mentioned only in the NCERT. We have to do that only. And while the process oogenesis, we will do little bit explanation of it. Okay. So ovaries, if you look at this one, this is the position of ovaries on one pair and on the each side of the ovaries, uterus, and attached to the uterus with the help of ligaments. Okay. Now next is the oviducts. Oviducts that are also called the fallopian tubes. ओविडक्ट का दूसरा नेम क्या है? fallopian tubes. जैसे सपोज दिस इज द ओवरी एंड ओवरी दिस इज द यूट्रस. अब ओवरी को यूट्रस के यूनाइट करने के लिए ये जो डक्ट है पूरी, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? fallopian duct. Now we will divide it into three parts. That is, first part is called the infundibulum, that is close to the ovary. This one is the infundibulum. Okay, that is close to the ovary. Now next is infundibulum में जो होते हैं, जो ओवरी के पास होते हैं, that is having the finger like projections called fimbriae. These are the fimbriae. Finger like projections, these are called the fimbriae. Okay, what is the function of fimbriae? It collects the ovum. When the ovary releases the, ovary में से क्या रिलीज होना है? Egg. And egg is released, the fimbriae catches it and sent to the oviducts. Okay, so what is the function of fimbriae? To collect the ovum. Okay, so first part of oviduct is the infundibulum. Now second part is the ampulla. Where is ampulla? This one, ampulla. And third one is the isthmus. थर्ड क्या है बच्चे? isthmus. Okay, so what is the function of isthmus? It joins to the uterus. Now infundibulum, ampulla and the isthmus, collectively these three are called the fallopian tube. Same here on this side and same here on this side. Okay, fallopian tubes हैं, इनमें से infundibulum के पास होते हैं finger like projections that are called the fimbriae. What is the function of fimbriae? It catches the egg or the ovum from the ovary and sent to the ampulla and then to the isthmus and then it sent to the uterus. Okay, so that is the about the oviducts. Now we come about the uterus. Third part is the uterus. We also called uterus womb. Uterus का दूसरा नेम क्या है? Womb. And uterus opens into the vagina. Uterus है, below it opens into the vagina through the cervix. Through the cervix, and there is a cervical canal. Now look at here. This is uterus and this is vagina, and here is the cervix. Uterus opens into the vagina through the cervix and in between there is a cervical canal. Okay, now cervical canal along with vagina is called the birth canal. So cervical canal and vagina दोनों को मिला के हम क्या बोलते हैं? Birth canal. Now the uterus wall of the uterus is having the three layers. Which are these? First, external perimetrium. External is perimetrium. Middle is myometrium and inner जिसमें glands होते हैं, glandular layer है, that is called the endometrium. First we look at its location. Outside uterus has wall called perimetrium. In between here is a myometrium and inner wall that is having the glands also, that is called the endometrium. Three walls होती हैं uterus की covering के लिए. Now what is the role of myometrium? Myometrium जब डिलीवरी होती है बेबी की, that कॉन्ट्रैक्शन जो यूट्रस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है उसकी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में ये मायोमेट्रियम जो लेयर है दैट हेल्प्स. सो इट्स कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हेल्प्स इन द डिलीवरी ऑफ द बेबी. ओके, नाउ इंटरनल जो एंडोमेट्रियम है दैट इज ड्यूरिंग द साइक्लिंग चेंजेस ऑफ द मेंस्ट्रुएशन. ड्यूरिंग द मेंस्ट्रुएशन दिस लेयर breaks down and comes out through the vagina. So it involves in the menstruation and implantation. When the fetus is also fixed in the uterus, it is also implanted in this layer, endometrium. Okay, now if we repeat it, first we read about the ovaries, two, one on each side of the uterus and attached to the uterus with the help of ligaments. And